How to get started with Google BigQuery in healthcare. Healthcare organizations today are drowning in data, patient records, medical imaging, insurance claims, real-time monitoring devices, all generating terabytes of information daily. The problem isn't the data itself, it's the inability to analyze it fast enough to make life-saving decisions, reduce costs, or improve patient care. Imagine a world where insights from massive datasets could be at your fingertips, driving better health outcomes and operational efficiency. That's the power of Google BigQuery. This is the moment to rise to the challenge. The data your organization generates every day holds the answers to better patient outcomes, streamlined operations, and smarter decision-making. But unlocking that potential requires the right tool. Enter Google BigQuery, a fully managed, serverless data warehouse designed to process and analyze vast amounts of data in real time. Today, we're going to explore how BigQuery empowers healthcare organizations to transform their data into actionable insights, creating a smarter, more efficient future. If you're ready to unlock the full potential of your healthcare data and transform your organization, click the link in the description for the free implementation guide. This step-by-step resource will help you get started with BigQuery and turn complex data into actionable insights. Begin revolutionizing healthcare analytics today and empower your team to make smarter, faster decisions with ease. Healthcare organizations face significant hurdles when managing their data. Traditional systems can't keep up with the exponential growth in data volume. Queries take hours or even days to process, leaving critical decisions delayed. Data silos across departments make it nearly impossible to get a unified view of a patient's journey or operational inefficiencies. Worse, compliance with stringent healthcare regulations like HIPAA adds layers of complexity. For many teams, these challenges feel insurmountable, and the stakes, patient outcomes and operational survival, are far too high. Google BigQuery offers a way out. It's a fully managed, serverless data warehouse that allows healthcare organizations to process terabytes of data in seconds. Whether analyzing trends in patient populations, detecting anomalies in real-time monitoring devices, or identifying inefficiencies in billing processes, BigQuery delivers actionable insights faster than traditional systems ever could. Its integration with machine learning tools like BigQuery ML enables predictive analytics, allowing healthcare providers to anticipate patient needs or flag potential operational risks. Most importantly, its security and compliance features ensure patient data is protected, meeting all regulatory requirements. Getting started with BigQuery is simpler than you might think. Start by enabling the BigQuery API in Google Cloud Console and creating a project to organize your datasets. Upload your data or connect to external sources like cloud storage or even live streams from IoT devices. Write your first SQL query to analyze the data and explore the insights hidden within your datasets. By leveraging BigQuery's intuitive interface and powerful analytics capabilities, your team can begin making data-driven decisions with ease. Failing to act now comes with steep costs. Delayed insights mean delayed care, potentially putting lives at risk. Operational inefficiencies remain unresolved, bleeding money that could be reinvested in patient care. Compliance risks increase, opening the door to fines and reputational damage. Perhaps most critically, your organization risks falling behind competitors who are already leveraging advanced analytics to deliver better outcomes. Inaction isn't just costly, it's dangerous. Over time, these challenges compound, creating data bottlenecks that hinder innovation and restrict your ability to adapt to an evolving healthcare landscape. The benefits of embracing Google BigQuery are transformative. Imagine analyzing real-time patient data to detect early warning signs of sepsis or optimizing resource allocation during peak times to reduce patient wait times. By centralizing and analyzing your data, you gain a unified view of operations, empowering leadership to make data-driven decisions. Costs drop as inefficiencies are eliminated, and your team has the tools to innovate with predictive analytics and machine learning. Beyond operational improvements, taking action reinforces your commitment to providing the best possible care, building trust with patients and stakeholders alike. BigQuery also allows your team to predict future trends with precision. From forecasting patient admission rates to identifying seasonal resource needs, its machine learning capabilities enable proactive planning. Moreover, with robust compliance features and end-to-end encryption, your organization can confidently protect sensitive data while meeting regulatory requirements. Taking action ensures that your organization stays ahead, ready to meet challenges and seize opportunities in the fast-paced world of healthcare. The stakes couldn't be higher. Every day your team waits to act is another day spent in the dark, unable to fully leverage the data you already have. Competitors are moving fast, and the gap will only widen if you don't catch up. Patient lives, your team's morale, and the financial health of your organization hang in the balance. Taking action today ensures a future where healthcare is smarter, faster, and more effective. Don't let these challenges hold your organization back. Download the free implementation guide through the link in the description and take the first step toward revolutionizing your data strategy with Google BigQuery. It's time to turn your data into your greatest asset. Start making faster, smarter decisions that positively impact patient outcomes and operational efficiency. The tools you need to transform healthcare are within reach. Take action today.